po for coming here. We're just as excited as you are.
Good evening po. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito. And ito na po, may pelikula na po tayo. Sobrang iba po yung kaba namin ni Angela ngayon. Wala po kami masabi sa inyo. Pero maraming salamat po.
Mukhang naiiyak na sila sa suportang ipinapakita ninyong lahat. Kaya naman ngayon, i-congratulate natin sila by shouting, clapping. Everybody, let's go! Let's give it up for Raja! Thank you, everybody. And would you like to invite them? Would you like to invite them January 14th?
Ayun po, iniimbitahan ko po kayo na manood ng Werewolf Boy sa
January 14 in cinemas nationwide. Buy your tickets na po.
There you have it, Direk. Please stay here with them. Let's have your photos taken. And the rest of the cast, may we invite... Okay, sa loob na lang daw ang mga cast. Okay, to all the ticket holders, you may now proceed inside Cinema 2. Once again, to all our ticket holders, you may now proceed inside Cinema 2. At sa mga walang ticket, don't you worry. 2 nights na lang ang aantayin nating lahat. Mapapanood na natin sabay-sabay A Werewolf Boy in cinemas nationwide. Let's go inside. Careful going down. Alright, everybody, we hope that you guys would spread the word on your socials. Ibang init ng pagdanggap sa ating rising young actors. Let's see Rapid, Angeles, and Angelo Luigi. Kaya sana mag-translate ito sa pelikulang ito. Simula January 14, 2 nights to go, 2 tulog na lang po. Mapapanood natin in cinemas nationwide, A Werewolf Boy, the Philippine adaptation. Directed by Yes, again, to all the ticket holders, you may now proceed inside Cinema 2. Once again, to all the ticket holders, you may now proceed inside Cinema 2.